everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm just gonna do an introduction. We already went to the fall this not morning but noon because right now it's somewhere like let me check 3, so afternoon. So right now I'm at we're back at the campground. So actually we went to see the falls earlier and we just got back, and I have video over there. Oh, so I'm just gonna do an introduction about this flag. So it was cold this morning, so I wore my it's actually still a bit chilly because of when the wind blows. It's kind of cool or cooling feeling. It's chilly. It was right now because the sun is out, it's 50 something, so I guess it's not that, like, for me it's not that cold because of the sun out. I like the weather that way, but if it's, you know, it was just the air blowing and it's cold without the sun. So this is the campground right here, and I also like the it's almost like the leaves color was really pretty too. Some of the trees were like don't have leaves anymore. Look at that, like that one right there, but some of them were still have, and the color is pretty and nice. So other than before that I showed or show you guys my tent, I'll just gonna, I guess, show the area, just the area, not the tent this time. So yeah, it's actually nice in here. It's just only thing that I don't like was there's no internet, there's no service in our phone. So you just need to you still need to go out in the road so you could have like connect an internet. So yeah, last night also was it's pretty chilly because yesterday it was raining a lot, so it was like cold at the same time. It's windy, and it was like somewhere 40s last night, and it was cold, but good thing I brought a lot of warm clothes or warm stuff so that I'm warm, not cold. So yeah, I bought like at least 3. I have 3 blankets, including the electric blanket, which makes me warm up so I'm not cold. So that's only thing that makes me comfortable last night and sleep well, because of the electric blanket that gives me warm. But my husband though did not. He doesn't want to use it, so he has 2 blankets, but he said he's okay with the cold, so I guess it's fine. So yeah, this is the campground right here. We're at the Cataract campground. This is different from last time that we went to doing camping. This morning I also made some breakfast for me because my husband doesn't want to eat. It's just me. So this is the campground right here. See, the color is changing. So I just want to do a view a little bit right there, and yeah, it's actually nice right now. And so that's our tent. Small tent, poor tent, and then the bathroom is right over there. So yeah, I guess that's it. But I like it when it's cold because it's nice, the color is nice. Right now it's because of the sun out and it's a bit warmer. The color of the leaves doesn't give a little bit of shine, I guess. That's what I think. My personal personal comment, or yeah, for me. So that's it. So yeah, that's it. That's our camping area, and I guess that's all. We're not doing much. We're just gonna have we just went to the falls. We didn't do much today, and later on we're gonna go out to have some food or eat outside. But yeah, that's all. So I'm gonna clip all the videos in here in the falls after this video, I guess. I don't know, but yeah. Well, I guess we'll see you next time. Thank you for watching. Bye. Hi everyone. We are at the falls right now. That's the falls right there. We're going down there. So it's actually a bit huge. We went to the other one already, that a bit. I went to the other one. It's a little bit like uphill. It's nice, it's pretty. Hi. It's a bit chilly here. I said it's a bit chilly here. So it's cold. So we're going to the falls right there. Hey. It's pretty. See? And look up there. It didn't really like seem in the video. It doesn't really seem nice, but it's pretty. The color is a little bit off, but nice. So Upper Falls. We are on Cataract Falls. So we are going down to the falls. Ooh, it's stiff. Trying to be careful not to slide. There's some people in here. Okay. So we are at the falls. My long ranger. There's some people here too. The view is pretty. Selfie with you. So here's the falls. I'm right by the water. It's kind of loud. There's also some people right here. There's the falls. The lift is actually still colorful, I guess. A little bit colorful. That's water in the falls. Let's go! Oh, it's the other one. Oh, it's windy. It's windy, yeah. Cold and windy. Hello. So I'm in the bottom of the falls. Not like bottom, but bottom where you can see the whole falls right there. So I'm just here alone. So that's the pool. It's actually big pools right there, and as you can see, it's a nice view. There's a big, huge grass right here on the side. So the water is here. It's actually nice. And that's the falls. It's big. There's some people up there. That's where we went earlier, in there, like there. So yeah, I guess this is the falls. It's pretty. It's sunny, but when the wind blows, it's cold. So that's why I'm wearing my winter jacket. So right there, see how pretty it is? Mura lang siyang sapa. This is the falls in Cataract Falls. I'm going back in the car right now because I'm done. My partner is in the car waiting for me, I guess. Okay, see ya.